To buy shares using the Zerodha Kite app, follow these steps. Log in. Open the Zerodha Kite app on your mobile device and log in using your Zerodha account credentials. Navigate to Market Watch. Once logged in, navigate to the Market Watch section of the app. Here, you will find a list of stocks available for trading. Add stocks to watch list. If the stock you want to buy is not already in your watch list, you can add it by searching for the stock symbol or name and selecting Add to Watch List. Place order. Select the stock you want to buy from your watch list. Then tap on the buy button to initiate the order placement process. Enter order details. Enter the quantity of shares you wish to purchase and select the order type. You'll also need to specify other order parameters like price if you're placing a limit order. Review and confirm. Double check the order details, including quantity and order type, before confirming the order. Execute order. Once you're satisfied with the order details, confirm the order to execute it. The order will be processed by Zerodha, and if it's a market order, it will be executed at the prevailing market price. Monitor investment. After placing the order, monitor your investment by tracking the stock's performance and relevant market news within the Kite app.